Well, today was the fourth occasion on which the Ireland-India Day has taken place here in Farmleigh. It's been a great success. Huge amount of effort has been put into organising the annual event by the Ireland-India Council, led by Prashant, Shukla, and they have been doing superb work. And it's great to see Indian people from throughout the country travelling here to Farmleigh to participate in this day's celebration. We've over 30,000 Indian citizens now resident in this country. They're making a huge contribution to the development of the modern Ireland. They're working in all areas of the economy, and they're making a valuable contribution to the cultural life of the country, to the communities and the societies in which they live. And their contribution is invaluable in terms of their role in the national economy and indeed in the health services in particular, where their contribution is noteworthy. Well, you know, bhí ásaram bheithan seo Farmleigh aniu chun lá na Hindia a chéalúra, seo han carú úr the Comhairle an Indan seo an éireann an lá speisialta seo agrú. Bhí na slúite I láthair, bhí an aimsir go hiontach ma agus cabhairigh sé sin leis an ócáid, bhí an sprid go hiontach agus dlach mise leis an deis teachtain seo agus buíochas a go bháil le na daoine ón tír iontach sin an India atá tacaí an seo níos mó ná 3,000 acu agus iad ag cur go mór leis an cóphobal atá gin iad gníomhú a gach gné den achtamíocht. So tá an tír seo ní sevre the war an méid atá dhéanamh ag muintir na Hindia an seo.
I'm Vijay Thakur Singh. I'm the ambassador of India to Ireland. I came here about a year and a half ago, and since then seen the vibrancy of the relationship between India and Ireland. The Indian community here, as you can see today, celebrates India here in Ireland by showcasing its culture, its music, its cuisine, and we also celebrate the friendship between our two countries.
There are something like 30,000 Indians working in Ireland or living in Ireland.
Well, we do have a large number of Indians living in Ireland. The numbers have been increasing, and they are doing very well. They are here as doctors, nurses, IT professionals. They are in the financial world, and we have students here now, a large number of them.
Whereabouts are you based?
Sorry?
Where are you based in Dublin?
Where am I based in Dublin? I'm Dublin.
No, the ambassador's residence is it
I think the embassy currently is at Leeson Park.
All right.
Yes, 6 Leeson Park is where we are. If you're planning to visit India and planning to travel as a tourist, I hope so you would do, because you're standing next to the Incredible India stall. Yeah. It's a fantastic country. Do visit us at the embassy. Get your visa, book your flights, and get on there.
Now I'm talking to Prashant Shukla, the CEO of the Ireland-India Council. Prashant, how's it going? Could you tell us a bit about your organisation and about the day here we're celebrating India Day?
My organisation is Ireland-India Council. It was established in 2002 to promote links and relations between Ireland and India, particularly cultural, economic, educational. And since 2002, we are continuously engaged with number of Irish agencies, Indian agencies. And India Day is established in 2015. And since then, this is our 4th India Day. And India Day is growing each and every year.
Is it a bank holiday in India?
In India, actually, the Independence Day actual is on 15th of August. That's celebrated as a national holiday in India.
I've done a few interviews with the Hope Foundation based in Kolkata. Are you involved with them as well?
I received some communication from them, but I'm not really aware about what are their operations, but I hope they are doing wonderful work in India.
And they work with street children in Kolkata.
Yeah.
They were founded in Cork. I just thought it'd be good to have them here, maybe at a stand or something. So the event has been held in Farmleigh for the last 3 or 4 years, is it?
Yeah, actually I think they approached for the stall, but this is the venue where we can't actually facilitate collections or that kind of charity. And with that reason, actually, I think our organizers haven't responded to them. Yeah.
Just before you go, don't want to keep it. I know you're very busy today. Do you have any big plans for India Day next year?
Definitely, we are going to have actually big plan for next year, and I'm hoping this year maybe 10,000 people registered, maybe much bigger in number, and much more actually activities and things like a craft market next year we are thinking to have.
And now I'm talking to Eric Byrne. Eric, you were Labour councillor. What's the story with that?
Well, I was a Labour councillor for 30 years, yes, but I was also a member of the Irish Parliament for a total of 14 years. Got elected 3 times, but I'm here at the India Day because I'm a member of the Ireland India Council. We organise this annual festival which celebrates the independence of India, and as you know, Ireland and India have very close political ties because of our struggle in 1916 was a great inspiration to the Indians to uprise and to try and oust the Brits. But in any case, it's their 72nd annual Independence Day, and we in the Ireland India Council organised this.
How long ago was the Irish India Council set up?
The Ireland India Council is about 6 years in existence now, but we have only organised this India Day festival here in Farmleigh for this is the 4th occasion now, so it's 4 years running as an independent, as a festival of Indian independence.
I was interviewing the CEO of the Ireland India Council, I think his name is
Prashant Shukla. Yes, he and I work together very closely.
Yeah.
And in fact, I was honoured today because they presented me with in my recognition of the work that I've done on behalf of the Indian community in Ireland. They gave me a presentation today. Yeah. So Prashant and myself work very closely together.
Yeah, congratulations. I was saying I'm surprised the Hope Foundation aren't here with a stand or something. Do you know the Hope Foundation, do you?
I'm not familiar with all the groups that are involved. To tell you the truth, I know the Karelians are involved here. Look, India and the groups that are involved are so diverse. We think Ireland with northern nationalists and northern Protestants, Catholics or whatever. Over there's about, I don't know if you were here for the announcement, that there was about, I think about 32 official languages. So it's a very diverse country. Its language, its culture, it's completely diverse. So I don't know all of the affiliated groups. I'm sorry.
No, it's just that the Hope Foundation, they were set up in Cork and they work with street children in Kolkata, you know. I was just thinking it'd be good if they were here maybe next year or something, you know.
Well, I mean, there's no reason why they shouldn't be here. I mean, we welcome everybody. We have our stands up here. You know, they'd be welcome to establish our stand here as well, because we want to engage as many who are involved in India, either in an NGO type organisation or as Indians themselves. But NGOs are always welcome.